Sir June Camara, our group will discuss about speed, acceleration, and free fall. So, what is speed, acceleration, and free fall? So, let's find out.
Boy, you got my heart beat running away, beating like a drum, it's coming away. Get the hit.
Oh hi, I'm Sassy, and I'm going to discuss about speed. The motion of an object can be described by determining how fast or how slow it moves. The measure of how fast something is moving is known as speed. Speed is a rate of a distance is covered at a given time. When an object starts from rest and gains speed at a constant rate, the average speed can be calculated on the basis of the two speeds, initial velocity and final velocity recorded. Munsar!
Let me hear.
Guys, do you like the video presented? Okay, let's talk about speed. Obviously, when I call Monsar, Monsar ran at once. The time consumed is equal to 8.05 seconds. And the distance traveled is 24 meters. So, let's calculate the total speed by using this formula. Distance over time. Now, we are going to substitute. Distance is equal to 24 meters. And the time is 8.05 seconds. So, it is equal to 2.98 meter per second. So, Monsar average speed is 2.98 meter per second.
Okay.
Bad boy, the boat won't be the first. No, we were bad boy.
Okay, hello there. I'm Clifford, and I will discuss about the acceleration. For the motion in which the velocity changes in either magnitude, speed, or direction or both, you will have a new quantity known as acceleration. An object is accelerating when its speed up, slow down, usually called deceleration, or changes direction. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity at a given time.
Making my way downtown.
Okay, after watching the second video presentation, let's talk about acceleration. So Sassy is driving a bicycle and her average speed is 15 meters per second. And the time consumed was 2.1 seconds. Yung 2.1 seconds, ito yung time na nagpreno si Sassy hanggang tuluyan siya huminto. And now, let's go to the formula. Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Final velocity is equals to 0. Ito yung time ng paghinto ni Sassy. And the initial velocity is equals to 15 meters per second. The time is equals to 2.1 seconds. And now, let's substitute. So, acceleration is equals to 0 minus 15 meters per second over 2.1 seconds. And now, the acceleration is equals to negative 7.14 meters per second. So, it means that Sassy slows down at the rate of 7.14 meters per second squared.
I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces.
See that, guys? Why do you think that every time an object is thrown upward, it goes downward after some time? The explanation of that is that there is a gravitational pull or force gravity is a force that pulls an object towards the center of the earth. Now, what is free fall? Free fall is when object falls down towards the center of the earth without any unbalanced force, like the air resistance. Do you get it?
Clifford,
O bakit?
sa palagay mo, ano na ang unang babagsak sa lupa pag binagsak ng magaan na bagay at saka mabigat na bagay? Halimbawa ito.
Sa tingin ko mas mauna to kasi mas mabigat to eh.
Sigurado ka kasi sa palagay ko mas mauna to dahil mas magaan.
Tara, subukan natin pagsabay na ibagsak kung alin ang mas mauna ang mahulog.
Sige, pagpantayin mo para alam natin kung sa
Mabuti ah.
Sabay
pa lang. Malakas na yun.
So after watching the third video presentation, we noticed that there are two free-falling objects. We have the eraser and the pencil pen. Now, why they are the free-falling object? Because they reach the ground only by the gravitational force and no other unbalanced force like air resistance. Now, the question is, what is their final velocity? What are their final velocity? Now, the formula is final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus gravity times time. Okay. The initial velocity is 0. Why? Because the two free-falling objects start from rest, so we have 0. And then the gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. And the time consumed was 0.8 seconds. So let's substitute. So we have initial velocity 0 plus 9.8 meters per second squared times 0.8 seconds. And the answer will be 7.84 seconds. So the two free-falling objects have final velocity of 7.84 seconds. That's all.